Hello YouTube, Thomas here again. Today I'm out on the lake in my boat, try to fish a little bit. It's very nice weather, little bit windy but not too much. I have been fishing for an hour and a half about. I haven't catch anything yet. It's not important. Now I think it's time for some coffee and a cinnamon roll. It's been a while since I made a video. We have had a really nice weather here in Sweden the last week. Oh, that's hot. Last week, I think it was Sunday, we only get near 20 degrees Celsius and sun, very nice. But later this week is going to be more normal weather, 5 to 10 degrees and cloudy, but that's the time of the year, that's okay. How are you all doing? We have ice quite long on this lake. I've been trying to fishing a couple of times, but near the I haven't been able to put down my boat because there was ice. But now it's better, and I think it's 2 weeks ago something the ice went away, and now it's, let's see, it's 9.9 degrees Celsius, nearly 10 degrees Celsius in the water. I think it's a little bit bad time for fishing pike because I think the pike lay egg now in this degree, so I think they're not hungry, but next week maybe better. But it's a nice day. I have planned a fishing trip to the north of Norway, but I don't think I'm going to be able to go there. I booked this trip, what can it be, 4 months ago, something like that. Go very up north in Norway, try to fish halebut, cod, really big ones, but there are too many restrictions, corona restrictions, so I don't think we'll be able to go there. I was supposed to go there 1st June, so it's only a little bit more than a month, but I don't think I'm gonna go there this year. Maybe next year, let's see. Or later this year. It's really nice, quite warm. Well, I'm gonna pause you a little bit. I'm gonna smoke a pipe. Back again. Now I have light up a pipe. It's my Nording pipe, a volcano shape, one of my favorite shape. And in it I have a light aromatic blend from HU Tobacco, Zigginghurst. That's a little bit fruity, but I can feel the burley in it. I don't think it's have any, what do you call it, the black one, tobacco. No Cavendish. I think it's Virginia and burley with some taste, fruity, something. Well, I have been free from work this week. Work a little bit in my garden. That's that time of year. I have take off my winter tires, change wheel on my car. Every winter we change tire for that's more suitable for snow and ice. And when I did that, I always take apart my brakes and clean them and see that everything is okay. And this year there was one brake pad that was stuck in the rear, so let's go and check. I checked it out and I fixed it now, so now it works perfect. I even had my car for on a workshop. That was time for change the timing belt on my car. I think that's nearly the only one that I don't do by myself. It's very important to get that right, and need some special tools too. So, well, it's a little bit expensive, but what can I do? It cost nearly 7,000 Swedish kronor. It's about 700 euros. But it's once every 10 year or 180,000 kilometers. What comes first? So it's gonna last me my time I have that car, I think. I'm looking forward to the summer, the sun. I don't like winter. I like it less and less for every year, the winter. The cold and the dark. I have ordered some tobacco last week. I thought of doing a box opening, but I think, nah. I ordered some of my favorite tobacco, some Head-Chew tobacco, Nashville County, a nice blend, and Rat Race Marlin Flake. If you haven't tried that, it's great. I try always to order a few things of Marlin Flake every time I order some tobacco. I would like to have it in my cellar for at least 3 years before I smoke it. It makes wonders with that tobacco. Some aging. I counted my tin now. I had 18 tins of Marlin Flake. So I think it's going to last a while. Oh, I can hear another boat on the lake. Someone more wants to enjoy the nice weather. I like the sound of the water. Cluck, 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 cluck on the boat. I can talk a little bit about my boat. It's an aluminum boat, Sweden made. The brand name is Linder, and the type is Sportsman 400. It means it's 4 meter long. And I have a 15 horsepower 4-stroke engine on it, a Mercury. It's called Rokult in Swedish. I don't know the name in English, but I don't have a steering wheel. I have a stick here. Because I think the pulpit takes too much space in this small boat. It's not a big boat, but it's okay for me. I fish alone mostly, and 2 people can fish very nice. I've got plenty of room. Can even have be 3 people, but then it's a little bit crowded. It's really cheap on petrol. A boat on the engine I can be fishing out for many hours. Last time I was fishing, I was out in the sea. It was Saturday, I think. Me and my son-in-law, we drove out in the sea. It's one way, it's 11 nautic mile. So we drove, we were fishing for 6 hours at least. Drove a lot, and when I filled up the tank, it was only 10 liter. I think it's a little bit more than 3 gallons. Oh, that's cheap. It's not fast, my boat. The maximum speed for 1 people, I had it up to 22 knots, and with 2 people, 19 knots. But the engine really have to work hard then. So normally I have a speed about 14-15 knots. The engine is spinning, sound very nice, and not quite cheap on petrol. And I don't go so far. Only I mostly fish in the lake, so I have no need for drive fast. Well, it's windy, so the tobacco finishes very fast. Okay, more than 13 minutes. If there's someone still watching me, I want to say thank you. And to all my subscribers, thank you as well. Take care of yourself, wash your hands, keep distance to people, and smoke the pipes, because that's what they're made for. Bye.